Hi, I'm gonna show that how to connect your Raspberry Pi Zero 2W to MP3 jack. As you can see, I use the micro USB extender here to here because the plug of adapter is too big to plug in, and you might notice that you should buy the cable with data transfer, not only just for charging. And this is micro USB to USB adapter. Maybe you can find another adapter with smaller plug. Then you don't need to buy a micro USB extender. And after this one is a external USB cell card adapter, which helps you to convert digital signal to analog signal. And finally, this is MP3 jack. You just plug it and between your speaker and your USB cell card adapter. So why do I use it? I've installed PiCorePlayer on my Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. If you want to know how to install, you can find some videos on YouTube, or you can read the PiCorePlayer official documents. The version I'm using is 8.2.0 because I don't know why the newer version like version 9 is not run on my devices. And I use PiCorePlayer connected to my Wi-Fi, and I log in to my Spotify so I can play my music with my speaker on the same Wi-Fi because there is no USB on my speaker. And if you use PiCorePlayer, you should check the main page. These two should be running. Right. And audio output device setting. This one you should choose USB audio. So here is my iPhone, and you can see now the music will be played from iPhone speaker if I choose iPhone.
Lying in bed, pains me that I'm still awake.
Okay, and you can find another devices on Spotify if you're online. And if I choose PiCorePlayer, connecting. Okay, PiCorePlayer. And I played it. The sound is from my speaker.
I can't help it, I can't help it, I'm down. Please, please help me get my feet.
It's a little bit laggy. By the way, you better connect the same Wi-Fi of your PiCorePlayer because I tried different Wi-Fi before and sometimes I cannot find my PiCorePlayer. Okay, this is the end. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.